All right, guys. Now that you already did the TDQ question on describing how the illustration on page 32 builds on early events, and you answered that question, now we're going to go into our exit ticket, right? So our exit ticket consists of 4 questions, okay? So for question number 1 is asking you to look at page 22 and 23. Uh, why they're important? Because they help the reader understand what does it help you understand, okay? So make sure that you're reading it and looking at the picture and not just looking at the picture, okay? Because you have to see the whole pages 22 and 23, right? And I will make sure that I post those the text and the picture for you for that question. So the next question is asking you, how does the illustration on page 9 build on earlier events? So if you look closely at this question, is asking you, how does the illustration? So that means that you need to make sure not only you're looking at the illustration, but you need to remember what happened prior to you get to page 9, okay? Make sure you're paying attention the whole time. Then the next question, page 26. It is very important to development of the plot because it is when. So remember we talked about plot. So now you're going to answer this question again. I'm going to post page 26 for you so you can see it on your question. So then the last question is your question number 4. Now this one is going to have events, okay? You're going to have number 1, number 2, number 3, and 4. So they're events that happen in order in Emma's rug. But you're going to have to figure out what event happened on the third one. So you're going to say, which of the following events completes this chart? So of course, in your form, you'll have a chart, right? But here, I just have it like empty, number 3. So you're going to answer which one of these goes in there for number 3, okay? So I hope that we answer correctly and we're looking carefully, not only at our text, but our illustration. All right, guys? So see you next. Make sure you're answering those questions, and I'll see you next in the next section.